Welcome back to the class. Today we start the first chapter of science. Now here, for the first question is, where do we get energy? We get energy from the food which we have taken, which we have eaten. From the food, we get the energy. Isn't it? So where do you get energy? You get energy from the food which you have taken already. So, from where do you get the food? We get the food from the field or grains or crops. What is this process called? This such growing of crops or any plants or food grains. This process is called agriculture. Okay, what is this process is called? Agriculture. So, before that, one more question is there. Why do we need energy? We need energy to do work. We are talking and teaching. You are listening. How? Because of presence of energy within us. Who is providing such energy? The food which you have intaken. Yes or no? So, energy is necessary for doing all the activity. Or cellular respiration. For cell also, every part of the cell do respiration. Every cell respiration, it does respiration. For this process, energy is required. Okay? So, for the energy, from where do you get the energy? Food. From where do you go to get the food? Through the process of agriculture. This is our main topic. Crop production. How do we get the crop? Okay? Without food, we cannot survive. So, it is necessary for our life. First, what is agriculture? Agriculture means, it is divided into agri means field, culture means cultivate. Cultivating food, it is a process of cultivating food or production of food or planting crops. Thus, this process is called agriculture. Understand what is agriculture? It is a process of production of food, growing crops or food grains. This process is called agriculture. Here, what is the beginning of agriculture? Beginning of agriculture. In olden days, in ancient time, primitive people, that means ancient people, early humans, they are called nomads. What is nomad? People who move from one place to another place. They don't settle in one place. They keep on moving. Why do they move? In search of food. Okay, they used to move from one place to another to get the food from the plants, trees, wild plants. Wild means forest plants. They eat the raw food or they hunt the animal, kill the animal, and they would eat raw. Raw means without cooking, they would eat. Now, slowly later on, these early humans, ancient people, they observed the plants, growing of plants. How did they observe? They looked at, they saw that some seeds are germinating from the ground. Okay, they noticed some plants are germinating. So it hit the mind and it gave the idea that to grow the crops in one place. So what they did? They started growing agriculture, growing plant. That process is called agriculture. They started doing agriculture. And they thought that in order to grow the crops, in order to germinate the seed, water is required. So they started moving to, or they started to settle near the river bank, near the watery area, near the side of the river bank we say, okay. There they settled. They started settling in one place and they started growing the crops. This was the beginning of agriculture. Understand? Next, animals husbandry. Some definition is there. Animal husbandry. It is a branch of science. Animal husbandry It is a branch of science which deal with production of some animal. For example, keeping hen, keeping dog for our benefit. It is a branch of science which deal with caring or production or keeping of animals. Okay, this science is called animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? It is a branch of science which deals with caring of animal, keeping of animal or growing of animals. This is called animal husbandry. Next, you know, dairy farming, that also we can say, or hen, keeping cow only, dairy farming we say. Then what is that? Dog also we can say, keeping dog for their benefit, own benefit. They will have the, what is that, farm. Next one is horticulture. It is also another branch of agriculture or branch of science which deals with growing of vegetables, growing of decorative plants. Some plants we can keep for decorative purpose. At home we will use some plants. So growing such a plants in the field or growing crops or growing vegetables, this process is called horticulture. Okay, and the field, what is crop? Crop means it includes grains. For example, crops can be cereals and pulses. In the field, they grow large amount of seeds or large amount of grains. That is called crop. Growing large number of grains in a farm is called crops. Okay, it may be cereals or pulses. Okay, what is cereals? These are grains like rice, maize, monocotyledon. We can say monocot. What is monocot? We cannot divide the rice into two pieces. We cannot divide the maize into two pieces. Equal piece we cannot make it. Such type of grains are called monocots, like rice, maize. Okay, and pulses means proteins rich food. Protein rich food. This is carbohydrate rich food. Cereals are rich in carbohydrate, whereas pulses are rich in protein. It is monocotyledon seed. It is dicot. Dicotyledon seed. What is dicot? All the grams, green gram, Bengal gram, moong dal, we can divide into two pieces, equal similar piece. Equally we can divide. Such grains are called dicotyledon seeds. All the pulses are dicotyledon seeds, like grams. Okay, Bengal gram, green gram, moong dal, everything. Understand? These are the kinds of crops. Understand? So what did you learn today? We need energy. Why do we need energy? To do the work, to teach or to learn, to study. So where do you get the energy? From the food which we have eaten. Where do you get the food? The food get from the field. So what is the process called? Growing of field, growing of crops is called agriculture. What is agriculture? It is a branch of science, deals with growing of crops, preparing the soil, or there are certain steps included there. Okay, tilling the soil we will study later. Okay, such a process is called agriculture. Here then we will study beginning of agriculture. Primitive man, early human, they started growing crops. So it was the beginning of agriculture. Second one is animal husbandry. It is a branch of science deals with preparing, caring of animals or keeping in the farm. Such a process is called animal husbandry. Next one is horticulture. It is a branch of agriculture or branch of science which deals with growing crops, vegetable or decorative plants, flowers, etc. Thank you. Write all the notes.